What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video, and I got a handy dandy update. So I got a ticket. It's not for speeding, not for reckless driving, and it's really not even a moving violation, but I'll tell you what the violation is. Prohibited lights on vehicle, red/blue. I'm in the state of Florida. I'm pretty sure this is all throughout the country. If you have red or blue lights, they identify you as emergency vehicles or police, and they are not allowed. So, as you know, on my headlights, they have demon eyes, which of course are red, and they caught me on my way to the gym. I'm not going to argue. I know I was wrong. It sucks because I really like these headlights, but I'm going to be installing the OEM ones. I had plans on doing that anyways, but yeah, I guess this is going to be sooner than later now. And what sucks is this wasn't even a fix-it ticket. It's pretty much pay the violation or go to court. I really don't want to go to court, so I'll pay the whole $120 and stick on my OEM ones for now. So that's what I'm going to do. It's a rainy day anyways. I was supposed to cut the grass, but I'll go ahead and stick in the garage and change out these headlights. So I'm gonna hop up into our attic, grab those headlights out, and we'll go ahead and swap those back on. I am pretty excited about them. I do like the OEM ones. They are probably the brightest out of everything that I've rocked on this car, between the Audi headlights, these ones. Yeah, I do like the OEM ones, and I blacked them out so they don't look like super bland or anything. So yeah, if you guys want to continue watching the video, feel free. If not, go ahead, dislike this video, I don't know, but let me know you guys watched it. Lay a comment down below, and yeah, if you're gonna continue watching, hopefully you enjoy. So yeah, we'll go ahead and do one more little cinematic of these headlights, and then we'll go ahead and start this install. The crazy thing is I've had these headlights on for quite some time. I've never really had any issues with cops. I've driven past them multiple times. But I think with people and their takeovers and all that stuff, they're starting to crack down on the car scene here in Florida now. Same thing like they were doing in California. So, quite the bummer, but like I said, I planned on changing these out anyways. So it's just going to be a little ahead of the curve, but there's our last little look of these headlights before I change them out. So, I just remember these are called the HC Motion headlights. So if you guys want a video on how to install it in my review, I'll link it in the description box below. So go ahead and catch that video if you missed it or want to rewatch and see the different functions on this thing. Alright, here they are. I just gotta clean them up. They're in really good condition because prior to removing them, I had a tinted film on here. So that tinted film kept all like the rock chips and everything off of here. It's a little hazy just because it needs to be cleaned up. But as you can see, I blacked out everything before, opened up the housing, did all that myself. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to see these back on the car. So I just realized this is probably the longest it's been since I've actually removed the front bumper. I was always doing something to this car for the build, and it's pretty much finished for the most part, so I haven't really had to remove the bumper in the past year or so, which is a good thing. Nothing's been wrong with the car, minus the slight little ticket. But yeah, I gotta remember what I gotta remove here. A couple 10mm bolts, some pop clips, should be pretty easy. Alright, got the car jacked up. Gonna go ahead and remove those 10mm bolts all along the top and then along the bottom. Alright, go ahead and get these pop clips off on the side. Depending how many you have, I only got like one. And then I have a 10 or 12mm up here as well. And it should be ready to come off on both sides. Give it a nice little yeet. So both sides are barely hanging off. I have one 10mm here hanging up. Just gotta disconnect our fog lights right here, and we'll be ready to go. Well, shoot. I got the headlight in here mounted up, all connected. Thought I was rolling the camera. Wasn't. Really, there's only two connectors. It goes back to the OEM one, so I'm gonna have to detangle all the aftermarket lines or electrical lines, harnesses, get them out of there. So it's gonna be a lot more cleaner inside the engine bay. But let me go ahead and make sure these still actually work. So I'm gonna go turn these lights on. All right, and there they go. They are a-working. So there's the difference between HC Motion with Demon Eye versus a blacked out OEM. Like I said, these are way brighter though. I will give them that. And you can never go wrong with OEM. So since this headlight's removed, I'll show you the two connectors that are the OEM 1 and 2. These colorful ones, these are the aftermarket, so as you can see I have them zip tied towards the actual harnesses. We're just gonna go ahead and get rid of those. No longer needed. No longer needed. So all that remains are these two, and we can get rid of these. I'll be selling those HC Motions if anybody wants them. Alright, before I throw this in, one connector, two connector, 1 and 2, that is it. And you really want to align this post right here to that plastic pin, and then right above on this bracket is going to go right here. That's how you're going to align everything. Alright, well there you have it. The OEM headlights are now back on the car. Swap went relatively easy. I'm going to be selling these HC Motion headlights for a pretty good discount, as though I'm no longer needing them. Just beware and wary out there. If you have a red or blue light while driving in motion, you could possibly get a ticket and be in the same boat I'm in. So yeah, I gotta reinstall the bumper and all that stuff. I will do that here later. I gotta go pick up my kids and stuff like that at dad life. But you guys know how to reinstall a bumper, and you can imagine what it looks like. So that's about gonna do it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, or want to reach out, hit me up on Instagram. That's all in the link in the description below. And yeah, we can talk about those HC Motions. Like I said, I'm gonna be giving those away at a decent price, as I no longer need them. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, lay a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Real quick, here is the harness. Here are those old headlights. No cracks or anything in them. Everything's pretty straightforward, pretty clean. So let me know. Lay a comment down below or reach out to me on Instagram.